Hi there, my name is Jane and this is Loopy Mabel's Closet, my little dressmaking corner of the world. Today's vlog is just a little one. I've got a few pieces of delicious fabrics that have just arrived and I thought I would share with you the plans I've got for these fabrics and show you the patterns that I intend to make. So hi and welcome back. If you've just found my channel and you haven't subscribed, what you're waiting for, please hit that subscribe button. That would really make my day and then you can follow along with me. So today's vlog. So this is a little fabric order that I've just received from Felicity Fabrics. They had their 1-year birthday celebration anniversary the other week and they had a brilliant sale that was on. So I thought, well, make the most of that opportunity. And I got 4 fabrics and surprise, surprise, this is really rare, but I've got plans for all 4 fabrics. And this is the last fabric delivery that I'll be getting. As I said, I'm going on a bit of a fabric ban until my birthday in September and we're now in July. So I've got a couple of months that I'm not going to be getting any fabrics, so let's just see if I can do it. But as you see, I'm surrounded by fabrics. I've got fabrics everywhere and there's enough to keep me going for the next 3 years probably. So yeah, as I say, they were having a sale and if you've never ordered from Felicity Fabrics, I'll put the link in the box below. Like everything I mention, I'll always link in the box below, even what I'm wearing today, which is one of my favourite jumpsuits, which is the Avenir jumpsuit by the Friday Pattern Company. This is in a linen viscose, absolutely beautiful, and I just love wearing it. And I've got one of my raggy brooches on just to bring out the colours. And I'll put the link for that in the box below too, if you're interested in this pattern. And I've also done a vlog on this and I'll pop the details for that too, if you fancy watching that. So Felicity Fabrics, I've mentioned it in a previous vlog, they're a mother and daughter business and they just sell beautiful quality fabrics. That's all I can describe it as really. Luxury is handmade, that's one of their slogans and it's absolutely spot on. And they always come in a beautiful gift box wrapped in tissue paper and you always get, depends on what fabrics you get, you always get these gorgeous little swatch cards. So these are the 4 I'm going to be talking about today. So let's just start off with this plain green. It's olive green. And I got this colour because it's in my colour wheel and it brings out the tones in my skin. I absolutely love this colour. Now these, well, especially this one is definitely going to be an autumn make because it's such a deep, rich green colour and just perfect for the autumn and the winter. And it's a viscose linen blend and it's got 78% viscose and 22% linen in it. It's got a feel of linen and it's got a beautiful drape, absolutely beautiful drape. It's very similar to this viscose linen that I'm wearing in my Avenir jumpsuit. And I just loved the olive green and I thought that would go absolutely perfect with tone on tone, I'm thinking, with that olive linen that I got the other week from New Zealand, which I'm planning on making some pants with, probably some more Eve pants. And I just thought it would make a great tone on tone outfit, olive green and olive green. I really fancy having a go at doing that. So my plans for this linen viscose is to make another hinterland pinafore. I popped the details up there of the floral one I made. I absolutely love it. You just throw it on over a long sleeve tee or a t-shirt. I just love the look, the instant look. And I just definitely need some more of those hinterlands in my wardrobe. I think I've worn it. I've worn it loads of times since I've made it. It's really getting well worn. And I thought this would make another brilliant hinterland. But then this one, I might add short sleeves. Not sure because I quite like the sleeveless version, the pinafore look. But I may add, if I've got enough fabric, add some short sleeves on it. And I got 1.5 meters of this, which should be more than enough. And I just thought it would just be perfect. And I just love this colour, olive green. And I'll probably do it the length at just above the knee as well, because I'm not a great one for dresses. I like to layer so I can wear it over some trousers or some jeans and what have you. So that's my plan for this green ochre linen viscose blend. and it's 135 centimetres wide. So that's the green ochre. Absolutely love that. So that's my plan for that one. And this one, which is absolutely beautiful. Now it's classed as lilac, but I suppose it has got a touch of lilac to it, but I can see more dusky pink, depending on how you look at it. And again, this is a viscose blend. Again, not the same composition as the olive one, which is 78% viscose and 22% linen. This has got a little bit more linen in it. This is 70% viscose and 30% linen. And this is again 135 centimetres wide, and it's just a beautiful colour. Absolutely love it. Yeah, and the more I look at it, actually, it does have that touch of lilac, doesn't it? I can see dusky pink, and then sometimes I can see lilac. And I went for the plain again because, you know, I do have a lot of floral. If you follow me, you know I do like florals and ditsies. I just love florals, so there you go. And I thought, well, if I get a few more plains in to add to my wardrobe, because plains and solid fabrics, you can't fall off because you know they're going to go with quite a lot of your wardrobe. And I just thought, yeah, I'll get another plain. So I went for this colour because I say when it was described as lilac, and I thought, well, I don't have an awful lot of lilac. In fact, I don't think I've any lilac in my wardrobe. I'm not even sure if this is on my colour wheel, to be fair, but I really do like this colour. I mean, when I say my colour wheel, I think I am deep autumn or warm autumn, and loads of all those colours really do bring out the tones in my skin. They really do suit me, but doesn't mean to say I'm not going to go off the colour wheel and buy other colours. You know, I'll have to check it out and put my colour wheel up and let's see if it is on the colour wheel. But I absolutely loved it. And for this fabric, I have got this planned for the Friday Pattern Company Sagebush top. Now, I had got this pattern a couple of weeks ago. Well, I got this pattern when it came out, so maybe about a month, 6 weeks ago. Loved it. It's got a little, I'll pop a picture up of it on the screen there, and I just love those little ruffles. I'm a sucker for ruffles and frills as well. I just love anything like that. And when I saw it has these little ruffles around the neckline, I just thought, yes, I'm going to have to try that. And I thought this would be perfect for it. So looking forward to making that. So that's a sage bush top, and that's by the Friday Pattern Company. I love their patterns, absolutely love their patterns. And as I say, this is one of theirs, the Avenir. And I just thought that would be absolutely perfect to have a go at that. So there's my two plains. And again, I love these little swatches because, you know, sometimes when you make your garment and then you forget where you bought it from, you forget what the composition was, you forget what maybe the laundry care details were, or how much you paid for it. It's all on these little cards. So obviously, you know, I've got Felicity Fabrics, and on the back it tells you everything you need to know: the composition, the name of the fabric, the width, the price, and the care guide. It's all on the back, and I've kept them all, and I'm just going to put them all on my pin board when I get round to it, and then I know exactly what I've got, and if ever need to refer to it, I've got it there. I just think they're a brilliant idea. It's all in the details, isn't it? So this next one, again, I love this colour. This is like a duck egg blue. I just thought it would be absolutely beautiful, and I thought it would go great again, another tone on tone look with that linen, a duck egg linen that I got from New Zealand, from the fabric store. I just thought, how gorgeous would that be as an outfit again, you know, trying to tone on tone. And I just thought, yes, go perfect. So this has got the right way. I suppose I'm not sure whether there is a right way or a wrong way up. Probably there isn't, no, because they go in both directions. And the drape, and it's so buttery soft, it's unreal. And this is a viscose linen mix again. And this is 45% viscose and 55% linen. So there's a lot more linen in this. But it's just so buttery soft. It's just delicious. And I just thought, you know, this isn't floral. This is going a little bit outside the box for me. But I just thought, how unusual is it? And I just love the colour. And I just love the fact that it's got those little drawn on, like hand drawn on triangles. And I just thought that was quite unusual, especially for me, because it's not floral. And obviously because it's going to go with this duck egg linen. And I am planning on making the Megan Nielsen Darling ranges. And I've got the pattern. I also got this from Felicity Fabrics in the sale. And I'm going to have a go at making the blouse version. So you've got a couple of versions on this pattern, which I like. I like a pattern that's got loads of versions. And I'm going to go for the blouse, which is that middle one, the drawn one there. I will do all of them eventually, but I just fancied having a go at the blouse because I wanted it to wear with the linen pants. And I just thought that would go absolutely perfect. Now, I'm not a great lover of paper patterns, but give it a try. I'd rather do PDFs and download them and stick them together, but, you know, it was in the sale and I couldn't resist. So I just thought that would go really lovely with that. And as I say, make a brilliant tone on tone. Outfit. So I'm really excited to get this one done because I haven't got any duck egg in my wardrobe. And I think that's going to look really pretty. So that is that one. And my final one, I only got the 4 only, is this gorgeous floral. Had to be done. You know it's going to happen. Floral jersey. And this is 95% cotton, 5% elastane. It's just beautiful quality right away. When you feel it, it's just absolutely gorgeous. And I thought, again, quite autumnal colours. It's got the rust, it's got the dusky pink, it's got a touch of kind of lilacs in the flowers, got a lot of terracotta, olive green, bottle green on like a creamy ivory background. And I just thought all the colours in there just ideal for mixing and matching. It'll go great with my green linen that I've got. It'll go great with that rust paprika linen that I've got. And I just thought, yes, I'll have to have some of that. And what have I got planned, I hear you ask? I have got planned the Juniper cardigan by Jennifer Lauren. And I'm going to go for the shorter cropped version. And I just thought that would be so cute for the autumn and winter. I just love it. And obviously you've got the 2 lengths to choose from. But I just thought, yeah, I'll go for the shorter cropped version in this. And as I say, go great. Little cardigan over some linen pants, or even over like some dungarees. You know, you want a little bit of a layer in the autumn winter. I just thought that would be perfect for that. So I'm really excited to get that done. So this is a new pattern company for me. I haven't got any of the Jennifer Lauren patterns, so I've never tried them out. So if you've tried her patterns, let me know what you think. And have you done the Juniper cardigan? Is anything I need to know before I start? But yeah, can't wait to get going. So I'm really looking forward to getting these 4 made, along with lots of other things that I've got planned. And I was quite impressed actually that these 4 I had plans for straight away, which is much better than doing the other way around, where getting fabrics and not having any plans because they end up on the shelf for quite some time until I decide what I'm going to do with it. So it's a much better way. So I'm going to try and do it this way from now on. So I'm really pleased with my fabric selections and can't wait to get going. So I've got the floral jersey, and then I've got this lilac, which they go really nice together actually. That could go quite nice over that if I needed a cardigan. So that wasn't planned, so that's good. And then I've got my olive green, which is going to be which will go really well too, which wasn't planned. It'll go really well with that. There's olive green in the floral. So that great cardigan over my hinterland. We're doing well so far. And then obviously I've got my duck egg linen triangle design, which is going to go great with my linen that I'm planning on making some more pants with. So that's going to be a great tone on tone outfit. So all in all, really pleased with this little bundle and can't wait to get going. Obviously I shall keep you up to date with the progress on them all, and obviously bring out vlogs as soon as I've got them made. So they're my fabrics and they are my sewing plans, so I'm really looking forward to get going on them. So that's today's vlog. Hope you like my little fabric stash and the plans I've got with them. I'm really impressed with myself actually. If you like today's vlog, please don't forget to give me that lovely thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and then you can follow along with everything that I do. I've got lots more sewing projects, I've got a couple of blog posts, makes coming too. I've got another collaboration with Chris from Sew Notes for our next birder make. That's coming soon, and I'm also working on my next Sew the Look outfit, so always loads going on here at Loopy Mabel's Closet. If you need to comment on anything at all, please don't forget to just drop me a message in the box below. I love to read your comments. But until the next time, thanks for joining me today. Hope I've inspired you with some more pretty fabrics, and I shall see you on my next sewing vlog. Bye for now.